Hello everybody, here's an update on the Philco 4190XF. I decided to put temporary mount the chassis back in the cabinet and hook up the antennas to see if it would work after I recapped it. And I'm not yet done with the cabinet, so what you're just seeing is this intermediate stage. As you can see, it works. The push button is working. Whatever channel that they had tuned it into in the past. Just a BBC. I don't know if that's on the shortwave. And as you can see, I just temporarily stuffed everything back there just to run the test. Turn the light off so you can see. Now this is your, I believe it was a 7AC tube. At first it didn't work, and I was tapping along, and then it started to buzz, and so I rubbed it, and then it would buzz strange, and then it stopped. Now it's picking up. I believe, if I remember right, this is a part of the RF stage. You got, there's one back here, and this is the second one. I have to look, see what it does. That's a 7A6, if I remember right. I have to look, take a look, see what tube that is. That is a 7A6. Yeah, and it's interconnected to the 7C6 or B. I can't remember whichever one that is, but anyways, that works. The tuning condenser doesn't seem to be working, so I have to figure that out. What's going on there? So it'll be the next step. As you can see, it's working. So just take a look, see what is causing the tuning capacitor not to be picking up. It seems to want to, on the push buttons, I got to figure out when you engage or disengage how it causes the channel not to work, because it wants to pick up all the channels instead of overriding and going to the tuning capacitor. So that'll be the next step. See what's going on there. So I just want to power up and see, but it's just odd about this tube here. I took them out and cleaned them all there. The pins all had corrosion on them, but just didn't want to spring to life. And it seems like the more it came on, the more it wanted to work. I always thought tubes would be the type, either they work or they don't work. Not that they need to be rejuvenated from reuse, because this thing has sat for decades before I got fired back up. Everything was original, including the original dial cord, so used and then parked. Same with all the capacitors, everything was all original. So here we are with this. Cabinet's pretty well repaired. Now we're onto the refinish stage. Grill cloth has been cleaned up, and I kind of flattened it back up to make it more original. What you're just seeing though is not the final finish. It's just put a sealer on there for the wood, and of course I'll have to sand that and see what I can do with that. Overall condition now is in pretty good shape. No more cracks, filled them in, and dial glass and everything is in perfect condition, along with the backing that goes in here. And all the button knobs are great condition. I know what are a new decal set, so I can put them back on, and it should be pretty nice when finished. Yeah, seems to work pretty good. Let's see if there's
Storage is almost always.
Yeah. So this is tone control and on off switch. Works. Muffled. More brighter.
We cannot
Don't make it too loud. I don't want to disturb the family. Alright, well that's it for this update. And just let this thing run a few hours. And then take it back out and work on the tuning capacitor. And go back to work on the cabinet. But at least it's progressing and it's clean. It can sit in the house now and nobody's going to complain about dirtiness or any other grody in this cabinet. Alright, okay, enjoy the video.